In March 2026, the UK Information Commissioner's Office confirmed that Google's Privacy Sandbox is still assigning advertising interest categories to Chrome browsers belonging to children under 13. The Topics API was supposed to exclude minors after Google's 2024 commitment. Internal telemetry leaked to the markup shows it never did. ICO investigators found 487 distinct interest topics being attached to accounts flagged as juvenile, including categories like dating, gambling, and weight loss. The agency issued a formal enforcement notice on March 14, demanding immediate cessation. Google replied that the categorization happens client-side in Chrome, placing it outside ICO's direct technical reach. New one drops every day. Subscribe so you don't miss it. 2 months later, the profiling continues across an estimated 3.2 billion